Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the raspberry jam recipe. First, make sure you already have the original jam recipe. You can get this recipe from Massimo. And then next, just go to your stove like this, and then just tap on the mixed jam or original jam like this. Just tap on it, and then in here, just replace the ingredients to raspberry like this. And then after that, just simply tap on start cooking like this. And okay, like this, when it's done, you will automatically unlock the new raspberry jam recipe. Usually there will be an animations at the first time you cook it, but in my case there's no animations because I have already unlocked this recipe before. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.